We head to Schots Home Emporium in Melbourne to check in with Natalee Bowen for some tips and tricks you can use in your own home.
As a designer, one of the things that I love to do is to make sure that people are prepared when they're looking at doing a building or a renovation. And one of the things that they need to be aware of is how they want their rooms to look and feel. So choosing your furniture pieces first is such an imperative thing that you need to do. Make sure that you have loads of inspiration with mood boards coming from Pinterest, from Instagram, and also flicking through the magazines is going to give you a load of different things that you can pull from. One of the mistakes that people make is that they either have too much leather in a space or they don't have enough texture in the actual room itself. Leather works beautifully with jute floor rugs, it's beautiful on a wooden flooring, but also then mix it up with gorgeous linen sofas and softer textures to really allow that leather to shine. When I'm designing a space that I want to add character into, say for example a beautiful library room or a man cave, using a beautiful high quality leather is the way to go. So when you come down to Schots Emporium, you're going to be able to see and feel and touch this gorgeous Havana brown leather sofa. It's got a beautiful grain to it. It's been hand rubbed so that you can actually see the natural hide through it. The feel and the touch of these sofas are just absolutely gorgeous. So when you sit in them, you're going to sink into them and really create that beautiful character and mood.